Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best sourdough starter containers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is $17.91 gallon glass jar with lid. If you have big sourdough baking ambitions, this capacious gallon-sized jar can be your starter's best friend. It's 10 inches tall, providing plenty of space for a lot of sourdough starters to double in size. Designed with fermentation in mind, it comes with a matching muslin cloth. This would also be good for a sauerkraut project. The weave will let your starter breathe while it's bubbling on your countertop by letting air in but keeping contaminants and bugs out of the jar. When it's time to transfer to the refrigerator, you'll make use of the BPA-free plastic lid. It comes with a removable seal, which you don't need for storing sourdough starter but would come in hand for other fermentation projects. The jar is made from certified food-grade glass, which means it's safe for any food or beverage you want to keep in there. You'll always have a crystal clear view of what's happening inside at any given moment, so you can stay on top of the care and feeding of your starter. What we like: perfectly clear glass for easy viewing. Glass won't pick up odors or colors. Great for a variety of fermentation projects. What we don't like: may be hard to reach the bottom. Number 2. Our second best pick is Luminarc pub beer glass. Perhaps you aren't completely sold on the idea of sourdough bread baking. This basic pint glass will give you a place to store your starter while you decide. If you choose to upgrade after a while, you can still drink your beer out of this classic pint glass. But it does have everything you want in a storage container for a sourdough starter. It's tall, giving your starter room to double in size. It's clear, you can watch what happens every step of the way as your starter gets bubbly and active. In fact, some experienced sourdough bakers use a pint glass to keep things going when it's time to give their usual container a scrub down. Whether you're a beginner, you don't feel ready to commit, or you have a small kitchen that cannot accommodate any unitaskers, a pint glass can give your sourdough starter a convenient, compact place to live that meets a baker's basic needs. What we like: convenient size for beginners. Glass makes observing the process easier. Easily repurposed if you give up baking. What we don't like: doesn't have a lid. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cambro 2-quart translucent round container with lid. Cambro containers are a favorite in restaurant kitchens for many reasons. They are built to last, can take abuse, and are available in sizes and shapes to suit all purposes. The round style is easy to clean, and the smallish 2-quart size accommodates your starter as it sits dormant during a long stay in the fridge or shorter stints on the counter as you get ready to bake. The big, easy-to-read measurement markings on the side make it super simple to see just how much your starter has changed in size. Both the container and lid are BPA-free, something that is unfortunately still not true of many food storage containers on the market. If you're just starting out with sourdough, or just don't keep as much starter on hand, a smaller 1-quart version of this container is also available. What we like: enough room for starters to grow. Clear container and easy to read measurements. Easy to clean and reuse. What we don't like: plastic may pick up yeasty odor. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Creuset Stoneware canister with lid. If you are the kind of busy baker who always keeps sourdough starters out on the counter, this might be the perfect container for you. This stoneware crock is so beautiful, you wouldn't want to hide it away. It's made from dense stoneware that prevents the absorption of water to stop any imperfections, like cracks or ripples, from forming. The interior is glazed, making it stick-resistant. That, along with straight sides, makes stirring your starter easy and effective. You won't have any dried-out bits on the edges to scrub off. The eye-catching enameled exterior comes in a range of pretty shades to go with any style of kitchen decor. The wooden lid adds to its style and conceals a silicone gasket that will preserve the freshness of what's inside. The canister is dishwasher safe. It's a bit more expensive than other storage solutions for sourdough starters, but it's one you'll want to show off. What we like: wooden top allows the starter to breathe. Room for your starter to grow. Looks attractive on the countertop. Wide mouth makes the starter easy to access. What we don't like: you can't watch the rising cycle easily. More expensive option. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Kilner Sourdough Starter Set. Flour and water are the only other things you'll need to get going after you've picked up this kit, which includes 2 wide-mouth glass mason-style jars. There are 2 stainless steel lids, one normal lid and one designed to be used as a measuring cup. If you're used to feeding and scaling your starter by volume instead of weight, the measuring lid can be very helpful. Additionally, there are 2 rubber bands to help track the progress of your starter, a small silicone spatula for mixing, and 6 labels for the jars to track dates, feeding times, or just to name your starter something cute. Whether for yourself or as a gift, this is a great kit for beginners. Instead of buying all of these pieces individually, it's convenient to pick them up all at once, along with a set of instructions and recipes to get started. As you continue on your bread making journey, you may eventually need larger containers since each of these glasses is only 12 ounces, but they're a great size to start with. The measurements on the side of the glasses are also useful when scaling your ingredients and judging the rising cycle of your starter. The whole kit is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like: includes measuring cup, rubber bands, and spatula. Made from 100% recycled glass. Dishwasher safe. What we don't like: you may outgrow the jars. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.